What's the meaning of ammunition? Ammunition. 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 Ammunition.
Ammunition refers to the physical materials such as bullets, shells, or other projectiles that are fired from guns, cannons, or other firearms. Ammunition is used in military and civilian contexts for hunting, self-defense, recreation, and warfare. The composition of ammunition can vary widely depending on its intended use, with factors such as size, shape, and material affecting the performance of the ammunition. In general, the purpose of ammunition is to project a high-speed projectile towards a target accurately, with enough force to incapacitate or kill the target.